Hello guys, 10K Yuj Tarot. Well, we want to let everybody understand that when you do write to us, we will get to you, but we don't know when, but we will get to you, and we'll pull 3 cards. The biggest thing is that we're about sharing, and the 10K Yuj is not like any other tarot. So no one has ever been trained in this. So we don't look at negativity in the human person, you see, talking. That is deleted inside our system. If you come to us with an open mind. And one of the biggest things that we've been telling a lot of practitioners, don't lie. Because if you don't lie, then you can be pure inside yourself. If you lie and you give a name and an issue, then it's gonna really go into you even deeper, and then your actions, unless you change, you will affect yourself. It's like putting sin on your own body. Okay, guys? This is a very serious deck. 10K. So, let's see something. The inner child. Guys, we're going into 2021. And everybody that I've been talking to, been helping, our service is to this one true understanding. And it's knowing this word that's called God without all the attachments. Like, what are you here for? What's your purpose? And how do you interact with all different types of people? And there's all different religions. We don't disrespect any religion. So the inner child is very important for everybody before the new year. Actually, when you think about it, even if you speak about theology, you'll start to understand. We'll go through a lot of things in this that we will teach, and we usually tell people to purchase a deck and start studying, but that does not mean that you're certified to go and teach. It's for your own help. Okay? This deck is like Pictionary. So the inner child, if you look at this card now, look at yourself. What needs to be expressed? And what do you need to let go of to heal? And the world is filled with a lot of things. Number one, it's filled with chaos. It's erratic. But besides that, it really depends on if you want to take that on. See, it's a choice. So, that's the first one, guys. The second one is a blank card. Blank card is very special because in 2021, desire, the energy is going to be a lot different. And if you're in a gratitude, you're going to see that things are going to become easier, and you're going to be able to do things and change in the new year. One more card. Hamsa. The evil eye. let's get beyond that and understand that everyone has a protection, but sometimes you gotta look at the way people look at you. And you gotta look at this word fear. If you are nervous about different things, then somehow that can seep into you. So you need that protection to be free. May you all be blessed. And any request that comes through, we will get to you. When you request, you gotta leave a first name and an area. We ask you to say who you are. If you want to put your first and last name, but just first name and area. We ask you to be truthful because we're still gonna read it no matter what. Becomes our responsibility. Life is about sharing, and may the light be with you always.